Hi there and welcome to this short video from Android EPOS. We're very quickly going to show you the correct way to change the thermal receipt roll on the Sunmi V2 Pro and the Sunmi V2. We have a Sunmi V2 Pro here, but the instructions we're about to give you would apply equally to the V2 model as well. The first thing to mention is the opening of the receipt roll chamber. A lot of people get this wrong. What they do is they tend to pinch the device here and open the lid in that way. What that does, it does put pressure, undue pressure on these two pinch points here. So the correct way is actually simply to put your finger here where you'll notice there's an indentation, a groove. You simply lift and the receipt roll chamber lid comes open. Now we have it in its open state. One thing to mention, I'm going to draw your attention to this part here. This is the core pressure shaft. There are cases we've encountered of people taking this out, end users mistakenly thinking that that needs to come out when the receipt roll is changed. Sometimes they've even tried to feed the roll actually through the gap between this part and the lid. That's not the case. That stays in place, never needs to be removed. If you have an instance where this is broken, we do carry spares on our website at androidepos.co.uk. However, just to stress that point again, you never need to remove that particular part. So in terms of actually replacing the roll itself, it couldn't be simpler. You have the chamber open now. You simply take the roll, you insert it into the chamber as so, with the end coming up from the bottom, and then you use the lid lever to close the lid securely, and that is it.